Before the billions, these were their jobs. We see them on magazine covers, splashed across headlines, living lives that seem completely unreal. Private jets, mega yachts, and companies that literally shape our world. It's easy to think they were just born into it. That success was handed to them on a silver platter. But what if I told you that before they were billionaires, they were just like us? They had normal, sometimes grueling, and often surprising first jobs. They weren't building empires from day one. They were flipping burgers, cleaning boiler rooms, and delivering newspapers. These are the jobs that nobody talks about, the humble beginnings that laid the groundwork for everything that came after. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on 15 of the world's richest people to reveal the one thing they all have in common. They all had to start somewhere. From the fry station at McDonald's to a dusty construction site, these origin stories are absolutely wild. Some of these jobs are so unexpected you won't believe they're true. We're going to count down their first gigs, showing you exactly how they went from earning minimum wage to becoming masters of the universe. This isn't just a list, it's proof that a massive future can come from the most ordinary starting line. So, get ready, because we're about to dive deep into the untold stories of the world's most powerful people. We're going to see how a newspaper route can teach you about business, how sorting diamonds can lead to a trading empire, and how cleaning out a boiler room can somehow lead to sending rockets to Mars. This list is packed with shocking and inspiring first jobs that prove anyone, from anywhere, can climb to the very top. Let's get into it. Number 1, Elon Musk. Before launching rockets or building futuristic cars, he started out cleaning a dirty, grimy boiler room. Number 2, Jeff Bezos. Believe it or not, the man behind Amazon worked the line at McDonald's, flipping burgers and working the fry station before flipping entire industries. Number 3, Warren Buffett. The Oracle of Omaha delivered newspapers at dawn, learning sales and subscriptions early on. Number 4, Jack Ma. The founder of an e-commerce giant actually started as an English teacher, and that classroom became his first stage. Number 5, Gautam Adani. He began meticulously sorting diamonds, a focus and detail craft that primed a trading empire. Number 6, Aliko Dangote. Africa's richest person started by selling cement. The literal building blocks. Long before building his own conglomerate. Number 7, Amancio Ortega. A simple shop assistant for a shirt maker, he learned the ins and outs of retail from the ground up. Number 8, Bill Gates. No surprise, he started as a programmer, writing code and debugging systems that seeded a software giant. Number 9, Mark Zuckerberg. Before the biggest social network, he was a private math tutor, sharpening logic one equation at a time. Number 10, Carlos Slim. Immersed in finance from the start, he began trading stocks and learned the market firsthand. Number 11, Larry Page. As a research assistant, his curiosity about information retrieval fueled the future of search. Number 12, Sergey Brin. Deep in academia, he researched data mining, planting the seeds of a global search revolution. Number 13, Mukesh Ambani. Trained as a chemical engineer, that technical grounding became the foundation of an industrial empire. Number 14, Ray Dalio. As a golf caddy, he carried clubs for wealthy clients and observed deals and high-stakes conversations up close. Number 15, Bernard Arnault. He worked in his family's construction engineering firm before ever stepping into high fashion. And there, you have it. 15 insane starting jobs of some of the richest people on Earth. From boiler rooms to burger joints, it's crazy to see where these titans began. It just proves that your first job doesn't define your last. Every single one of them started with a simple task, a paycheck, and a lesson. They weren't born with a billion-dollar idea. They built their skills, their knowledge, their empires, from the ground up, one step at a time. Their stories show that the most important thing is to just start, to learn, and to keep pushing forward. Think about it. The skills they learned in these first jobs are still visible today. Buffett learned the value of a dollar delivering papers. Bezos saw efficient systems at a fast food line. Arnault learned how to build before he built a brand. These aren't just fun facts, they are the blueprints of success. The journey to the top is almost never a straight line. And the lessons you learn in unexpected places can be the ones that matter most. So what's the takeaway? Your current situation doesn't determine your future. Every job, no matter how small, is a chance to learn something that could unlock your own success story. The next billionaire could be serving you coffee, delivering your packages, or coding in their bedroom. Who knows? Maybe it's you. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more quick surprising stories. See you in the next video.